For this video, I'll be explaining about compound interest and annuity. What is compound interest? Compound interest is something that we calculate on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. Important, it is good for saving and investment. It also allows money to grow at a faster rate than a simple interest. For compound interest, we have three different formulas, which is compound interest, future value, and present value. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payment made of equal interval of time. For example, shop rental, insurance policies, installment payment, and annual dividends. There are two different formulas for annuity, which is future value and present value. Part A, question 1. On 16th of April 2016, Aina deposit Rm 7,500 into a saving account at 6% compounded every 2 months. From here, we need to find the amount of the first 2 years from 16th of April 2016 to 16th of April 2018. We will be using the compound interest formula to find the amount. So it was given from the question, the principal amount, which is 7,500 ringgit, 1 plus 0.06 over 6, 2, which is the years. And we'll get the answer, which is Rm 8,000 ringgit, 451 and 90 cents. Back to the question, we need to find the amount accumulated on the 16th October 2019 if the rate was changed to 8% compounded quarterly beginning by 16th of April 2018. So, for the second part, we need to find the amount of the next 1.5 years beginning by the 16th of April 2018 to 16th of October 2019. But the rate was changed to 8% compounded quarterly. We'll be using the same compound interest formula for this part, and the principal amount we'll be using is the amount that we got from the first part, which is Rm 8,000 ringgit, 451 and 90 cents, 1 plus 0.08 over 4 for 1.5, which is the years. After we calculate all this amount, we'll get the final answer, which is Rm 9,000 ringgit, 570 and 42 cents.
Assalamualaikum everyone. For this question, you can see it is comparison question between Alpha Bank and Omega Bank. Alpha Bank offers 4.35 interest compounded every 4 months, which is M equals to 3. Omega Bank offers 4.5 interest compounded monthly, which is M equals to 12. For question A, we'll use this formula. We just substitute the formula into the question. S equals to 58,000. 1 plus 0.0435 equals to M, which is 3, and T, which is 3 also. For the answer, you will get 66,028 ringgit and 18 cents. Same goes to Omega Bank. Just substitute the formula. And the answer, you will get 66,366 ringgit 37 cents. From now, Mr. Daniel should invest on Omega Bank because Omega Bank offers a higher interest compared to Alpha Bank. For question B, same formula, you just substitute and you will get this. And the answer, you will need to minus 15,000 because of the withdrawal. So the answer you will get is 54,415 ringgit 23 cents. This answer, it will go for P. So we just substitute S equal to 54,450 ringgit 23 cents. 1 plus 0.0450 divided by 12 and 2. So the answer you will get is 5,929 ringgit 72 cents. This is the amount that left in the account. That's all from me. Bye bye.
Hi guys, so let's go to question A part B. how much money is required for the university to deposit. Now so that the fund can provide scholarship payment of 5,500 ringgit every 6 months for the next 10 years. This question talk about the budget university. So we use the formula to solve for this question. So I found all the information. For R is 5,500 ringgit. For K is 3.8%. For M is 2. And the last T is 10. So all information I put into the formula. So after calculate, we find the final answer is 90,806 ringgit and 83 cents. Other than that, let's go to the question B. The bursary department of the university, however, prefer to accumulate the required amount in A gradually. They plan to build the scholarship fund over the next 4 years by making equal monthly deposit. If the investment account earn 2.5 per annum, compounded monthly, how much money must be deposited at the end of the month to reach the required amount? So, question B talk about the investment for university. So, we can use this formula to solve this question. For us, we can use answer question A. For K, we can use 2.5%. For M, we use 12. And lastly, T, we can use 4. So, all information I put into the formula. So, we can calculate for the right side first. So, the final answer is 1,800 ringgit and 76 cents. Bye guys!
So for the last question, we will be solving a financial problem which involved Mr. Adi, who just bought his new gaming PC which cost 29,550 ringgit. He paid 30% as a down payment, and he also gave us an annual interest rate of 6.7%, which is the K, compounded monthly, which is the M, and also to be repaid over 5 years, which is the T. So the question asks us to calculate the monthly installment and also the total interest that he will pay over the entire loan period. So first and for all, I will find the R, which is the monthly installment, by calculating the down payment by multiplying 30% of 29,550 ringgit, and I get 8,865 ringgit. And then I will subtract it from the total price, which is 29,550 ringgit minus with 8,865 ringgit, and gives us a loan amount of 20,685 ringgit. Next, I will use the present value of annuity formula to find the monthly installment, which I substitute in the loan amount, the 6.7% annual interest rate, the monthly compounding, which is 12, and also a 5-year period. After calculating the entire bracket value, I get 50.8648. So, the monthly installment is 20,685 ringgit divided by 50.8648 equals to 406.67 cents. So, to find the interest, I will use the formula I equals to NR minus A. So, after I substitute in the amount, I will get 3,715 ringgit and 20 cents. So for the last question, the bank has stated that Mr. Adi owes 2,894 ringgit and 82 cents in arrears including interest, and his monthly payment is still 406 ringgit and 67 cents. So for this question, I will use the future value annuity formula, substitute the arrears and also the installment amount and the monthly interest rate. After rearranging, moving and solving from step 1 until step 7, we will be start using logarithm from step 8, and we will get n equals to 7 monthly payments.